Very good morning to each and every one of this group. One message has been circulated in WhatsApp group and everywhere that Sindhudurga diocese is building church, mother church, that is Milagret church, and they need around 12 to 15 crore rupees, and already they have finished half of the work. And see, now they came to know that Catholics, whatever they helped, they have already helped. Catholics already have helped with the donations, but they came to know that they cannot. So they have started asking money with other religious group. Why? They have already built one bishop house in 3 to 4 crore rupees in last 2 years. Okay, there was already a bishop house, but still they built. They would have built a nursing college instead of bishop house, nursing college, and they would have created nurses, or they would have first created thousands of nurses. There are Catholic missionary has lots of this, what you say, nursing colleges all over the world, all over the India. They would have made thousands nurses. They would have sent to Israel, few to London, Canada, few to Dubai, Kuwait, Bahrain, and later on they would have asked every nurse 1 lakh rupees donation. If they get 1 lakh rupees donation from each nurse, then it would have collected around 1 Arab rupees, and they would have built the church. No need to ask other community. Example, I am telling you right now. See, my son is a computer engineer right now. I invested around rupees 15 lakhs on him myself. Means I took loan, education loan 50%, and 50% I myself gave. If I say to him, Samuel, you give rupees 1 lakh to donation to build church, he will never give, because missionary has not given admission in missionary colleges. Okay, but if he would have learnt in missionary, my son would have done engineering from missionary college, he would have. If I would have tell him give 1 lakh rupees that is for the church and it is good for us, he would have given, but he will not give now. Now my son is in. He will join in Swiss bank. And my daughter, I am investing on her in nursing college myself, 12 lakh rupees myself. But if I say, if I send my daughter to Canada for a job, and if she earns, and if I say give rupees 1 lakh to donation to church, she will never give, because church missionary has not given admission to her. Now she is learning in private colleges. This is the main thing. So first, the priests, bishops, provincials, and what do you say, cardinals. Okay, they should think of a community first. Our community is always ready. Even if they don't have money, they will give money to build the churches. They will give money for to build the schools. Even if they don't have money, they will come and work there. This is the motto of a community. But these bishops, they don't think of a community. In higher education needs around 10 to 15 lakhs. If you want to become a nurse, 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs. If you want to become engineer, 15 lakhs, everything together, food, accommodation and all that. They should give 50%. They should give 50% fees concession, and 50% they can take a loan. And they should see the bishops should see first give, I think so. First you give to meritorious persons. Those who are meritorious persons, you take the exam or CET exam. On the basis of CET exam, you see the marks, you see everything, and give him admission. Give him 50% concession, and 50% he can take a loan. If you have easy loan, they can take easy loan. How you collect 15 crores for the church? you can collect like this 15 crore, 10 crore for the community from here and there and keep as in the bank and give that easy loan. If you're giving 7 lakh rupees loan, you take 9 lakh rupees, 2 lakh more you take, but give easy loan. How they are good in collection. So you collect 10 crore rupees and keep in one bank, and that money keep in fixed deposit and give that on the that interest you give on invest on the people. And you tell all these people, our Catholic people, when you become engineer, nurse, when you become nurse, when you become engineer from missionary colleges, you should help back to our community. If they ask, give 1 lakh rupees, you should give 1 lakh rupees for the development of the churches, bishop houses, this, that. They are now what they are saying, our people are downtrodden, man. They are downtrodden. They go after 10th, they go in the English medium school. They give English medium school, means they give education up to 10th English medium. After that what? After 10th what? After 10th or after 12th what? After 12th, if you want to become engineer, you have to invest 15 lakh rupees. If you want to become nurse, 12 lakh rupees. If you want to do MBBS, then you know how much? Around 1 crore rupees. If you want to do MBA, then around 15 to 18 lakh rupees. Who will do this all? But this all education system our community has, as missionary has this education system. And this education should be given to our people. What I am doing first, before speaking to bishop, before meeting to bishop or cardinals or anyone, first what I will do, I will go to Don Bosco. I'll write up to Don Bosco Engineering College and say, you give me under RTI, you give me list of admissions from 2022 to 2024. How many got admissions? How many people got admissions? And how many Catholics got the admission? That list I will take first. Then I will go to bishop. We are forming RCDS, Roman Catholic Development Society. Then we will go and meet bishop. If you go direct and go and meet the bishop, he says, no, we don't have, we are nothing about the admission. We don't know anything. No. And these admissions are around 50% base. 50%. These are 50%. I think so. Because it comes under development of the Catholics. Roman Catholic, it is clearly written Roman Catholic. This in Don Bosco Engineering College is for Roman Catholic. Means it is under 50% admission. But they don't take, because our Catholics don't have so much money. And they don't go there also. Rarely. There is no single engineer from my village. There is no single engineer from my village. There is no single nurse from my village whom they have given the admission. This priest, bishops or the missionary has given admission. No one there. Means that means no one know about these schools, colleges, this around colleges. No one knows this. I made my son engineer myself. I have taken loan 7.5 lakh rupees, and 7.5 rupees I give. I am making my daughter a nurse. She is second year now. 12 lakh rupees. And if any priest say you give 1 lakh rupees for donation to build the church, never. I'll never give. Nor my children will give. But if they were to help me, my children and me, to become engineer, I would have given 1 lakh rupees. And everyone should form. Every state you form RCDS, Roman Catholic Development Society, and you go meet bishops and try to know how the admissions are made, how you can help the poor Catholics with 50% fees concession and 50% loan, this, that. You help. I want to see in every field Catholic officer. If in the army, if you go to army, there is a Catholic officer. If you go to finance office, Catholic officer. If you go to bank, Catholic officer. If you go to Tahsildar, Tahsil office, Catholic officer. If you go to district office, Catholic officer. We have that education system, and our missionary should give to our people first, because whenever in need, when we are in need, whenever they are in need, our people is first to help them. If you say if they want to build a church, our people will give anything, whatever they have. If they don't have money, they will go and work in the church during the building of the church. If there is a school building, they will go and help. Okay, so they should help our Catholic people first. And meaning of RCDS is Roman Catholic Development Society, and I'm trying my best to form this community for five years temporary, not government register. First, try temporary. Try to know first. There will be meeting. You will go and meet bishop. You will meet cardinals, provincial. Try to know their system of admissions. Try to know how it will work. Then we'll form in the government. We'll register this in the government. First 5 years temporary means just try to know how their system is, how the missionary education system is, how the bishop thinks over the admissions, to give admissions of the people to the people, what problem they are facing to give admission to Catholics. We'll see this all, and then we'll take the decision. Okay, Papa, and everything I'll speak about giving highest education to our Catholics and nothing else. No bad words to judicial vicar, nothing. Okay, only Catholic should be officers every corner of the earth, not washing the bathrooms, sweeping the schools, this, that. No, Catholic, if the Catholic has highest education system, a Catholic should become officers in every field. This is the aim of Luis D'Souza, the world's #1. Bye bye.